The plotting of root 5 gives us a couple of other results too. Let's draw a number line. Let this be OC root 5 units. This is what we plotted in the previous video. We draw CD perpendicular to OC such that it equals 1 unit. So we have OC equals to root 5 units and CD equal to 1 unit. Let's join OD to complete the triangle OCD. By using the Pythagoras theorem for this triangle, we get OD squared equals root 5 the whole squared plus 1 squared. That equals 5 plus 1, which equals 6. Calculating the square root on both sides, we get OD will be root 6 units. This length is root 6 units. We have now seen often enough when we get the length as a hypotenuse of the triangle, it's simple to plot the same length on the number line. To get root 6 on the number line, we keep the center of the compass on point O, set it to this length and cut an arc on the number line at point E. Therefore, OE will also equal root 6 units. This length is root 6 units. So the plot of root 5 gives us the plot of root 6. But wait, does the plot of root 6 also give us something? Let's see. Now we can try drawing a length of 1 unit like this. This segment is perpendicular to OE and is 1 unit long. Let's call it EF. So we have EF equal to 1 unit. To complete the triangle, we join OF. Now look at the triangle OFE closely. In triangle OFE, OE is root 6 units and EF is 1 unit. So we get OF squared equal to root 6 the whole squared plus 1 squared. This equals 6 plus 1, which equals 7. Again, taking the square root on both sides, we get OF equal root 7 units. This length is root 7 units. And just like we did before, we keep the compass on point O, set it to this length and cut an arc on the number line at point G. That will give us OG also equal to root 7 units. And if we draw another 1 unit line from G, which is perpendicular to OG using the same procedure, we will also get root 8 units. So this way, plotting of one irrational number leads to the plotting of another. Of course, we don't need to construct anything for root 9 as it equals 3. But for root 10, which is irrational, we take a right triangle of base 3 and height equal to 1 unit. The hypotenuse will equal root 10 units, and then we continue drawing a segment of 1 unit to get root 11, root 12, root 13, etc.